Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Cherokee Specialist. So I'm inside a Grand Design unit and I have a customer here on the lot that wants to know if we can make some of the lights dimmable. So currently they do happen to have a dimmable lights over the dinette booth, right? And I'll show you a close up on that switch here in just a second. So something I just want to talk about is in case you're wanting to upgrade, this is something that we do, but the only thing you got to be conscientious of is some of the lights in the older units are not made to be dimmable. So if you upgrade to a switch like this one, what you take the risk of is either it'll work or it won't work. It won't really necessarily short out the light, but it'll either flicker or it just won't work because it won't send enough voltage to it at all. So we're pretty sure that these are going to work. This is just a standard LED bulb that's up in here. That's a 12 volt, and then those two lights up there and the bar light underneath here. So these three lights are all connected together, and then here's just a standard double rocker switch. So as you come in the coach and you come in and you turn that on, or if you're here late at night, and these are quite bright, so if you wanted to go ahead and turn those down, then you could go ahead and get a dimmable switch, which would kind of look nice and we'll say set the mood more, especially if it's kind of bright reflecting on the TV. And then same as these, these should be able to be totally dimmable. So this switch that's over here, as you can see on it, it's a dimmable switch and it operates pretty cool. You just hold your finger on it, and as you do, the lights will dim or they'll increase or they'll dim on their own. So the longer you hold it, they'll just go up and down in brightness. So we found the same switch, but what's nice is we found a double, and so we're gonna get a hold of the customer, see if they wanna do it. There's a little bit difference on the size, so I'm not sure if we're going to have to trim that out or not, but we'll post more when we get it and get it installed, and then I'll come back in here and do another video to make sure that these two guys work. But that's it. So if you're thinking about dimmable, making your lights dimmable, or it's either something pretty easy that you can do yourself, or if you're here at the shop and it's something that you'd like to have done, just ask us and let us know. If it's something we can do, we'll be glad to help you with it. All right, thanks so much, and this is Dustin, Cherokee Specialist. Have a great day.